Hey, I'm Sarah. I got the GCI Comfort Pro Rocker. We've had other styles of these and they are awesome. So I went ahead and got the Pro style. So what that means, it's got this nice carrying handle, so you can just put it over your shoulder, take it with you wherever you want to go. It's got this strap that holds it all in so it doesn't come out. It's easy to take off. And then all you've got to do is just open it up and you've got your nice big chair. So some of the notable features that I really like about this chair is this mesh back because it's so breathable. It's got a little phone case right here. It's got your beverage holder over here that is also mesh. So if it's sweating or you spill or anything like that, it's not just gonna sit in there and get all yuck. But my favorite part is the rocker. So when you sit in here, it's got these little spring-loaded rocking mechanisms. So you can just sit here and rock back and forth. And I'm pretty tall, I'm about 5'11", and it goes up over my shoulders on the back here. So for me, that's really nice because my shoulders have somewhere to go. It rocks real nice, it's nice and soft. I absolutely love this chair. When you're done with it, all you've got to do is just fold it back up and you are ready to go.